Assalamu alaikum. Before we start the show, there is one request to all the viewers is to pray for the speedy recovery of our very own player playing from Udaipur Warriors, Hussain Bhai Hita. We hope he recovers soon and he starts playing with us whenever the cricketing season starts. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum Asif bhai, Assalamualaikum Boran bhai.
Walaikum salam Ibrahim bhai.
Welcome to the show. Thank you for accepting and coming.
Thank you
It's an
very
honor,
much.
really.
It's
an
our
honor
honor
to be
bhai.
here.
Obviously, they need no introduction. This is Asif bhai, captain of KCC, and very well known for his fitness. He's a fitness freak. And Burhan bhai, who's playing a long time from KCC, I think when we never started playing cricket, he was playing for KCC. Asif bhai was playing for other teams, and but they both are like we all look up to when anyone plays start playing cricket here. So welcome, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
And yes, obviously, KCC is one of the most favorite and loved teams among the Bohra cricketers. So let us know, Burhan bhai, why is KCC liked by everyone? What is the reason?
The reason actually, this question exactly for the fans. They can answer it better.
Yes, but
we-
I want to know how do you conduct your team?
It's normal actually. We just the main reason I just can say that we just go everywhere and just we play fair cricket. That is the main reason maybe. And the other thing we just
I think one of the reasons
our motto.
one of the reason which is not wanting to tell me is they have very good human beings inside their team. So that is kind of reflected when they play. So they play fair.
So
they
that's
don't
what
play.
I said. The fan can answer it better. So it seems you are a better fan of the KCC.
Yes, obviously everyone is a fan of KCC.
Thank you very much.
Okay, tell me what are the different what strategies that maybe you both are you both are captains of your team. One you have been the captain. You are currently the captain. What is the preparation before the game that you guys do?
See, we prepare in a lot of ways, Ibrahim bhai. One of the preparation is that, see, now internet is there. And thanks to MSC, the job that they're doing by uploading people's scores online, their performances, and we also get to see the charts and all of those things. So, of course, before we get into a game, we see a player's strength, and then some of our players are always present in other people's matches, and we see that how is a batsman playing certain deliveries. Number one, number two, which is a strong area. For example, most of our cricketers in our the Bohra Cricket League, you can say, are leg side players. So I'm sure the way your team prepares that, let him play on the off, bowl him on the off side, and we are fine. At least we'll make him earn his runs rather than giving it away. So this is one of the ways. But this is our preparation against an opposition. Okay. How do we prepare ourselves is, yes, as any other team does, we go for our practices. Okay. We are only getting older. The way our team is, we don't have any young blood. So we need to make sure that we are fit. I mean, look at Burhan himself. We both are more or less the same age, but he's one of our fittest cricketers. I mean, if you go to see today. So that is very important. We need to work on our fitness. And some guys have really taken up this initiative of working on their fitness. Now, once upon a time, they looked old, but now you look younger because they go for their walks and their jogs and all of those things.
I'm just laughing because I know each and every question put up to Asif bhai, fitness word has to come.
See, the thing is, Ibrahim, you will agree with me. And look at your team. You guys do fitness almost every day. And if there is no fitness, there's no cricket. I mean, forget about playing cricket if
Yes,
you
sure.
guys are not fit, because one day or the other you'll get injured.
Yes, for sure.
What do you say, Buran? Are you fit?
I'm fit, alhamdulillah, as far as
Okay,
my captain is concerned.
so as far as the fitness is concerned, which team, Asif bhai, you tell me, which team you think is the fittest?
As of today,
Yes, as of
I
today.
wouldn't say as a team to be honest, I wouldn't say a team as a whole. I've seen any fit team, but I've seen a lot of fit players in certain
Yes.
teams.
Okay.
Okay,
So who has the maximum players?
if
Which team?
which team has the maximum players? I mean, on top of my head, I wouldn't know, but I think K11 has got very good and fit players, and I know 6 or 7 of them hit the gym regularly.
Yeah, one. I think you're promoting your gym here.
No, I'm not promoting. No. I'm not talking about
I
match.
just, I'm just joking.
They do their stuff.
Okay, Buran bhai, tell me when I started seeing KCC, I know it was a team made up of friends. So
Yep.
what is the difference back then and now, where you even have obviously it's not like Asif bhai, Kutub bhai, Ibrahim bhai Diwan, and rest of them are not your friends, but that is like your childhood friends, and that was the team. And now, what is the difference you find?
Uh, Ibrahim, if I'll start from the beginning. KCC
Yes.
was formed in the year 2003. That was formed with a group of friends playing in a parking with a tape ball.
Okay.
So suddenly one day I was just playing with the tape ball, and usually we had gone Friday. We saw many MSC and all other people. They're just playing in the Shark ground. I think you may remember
Yes.
also. So that day we just decided to just go a bit one step ahead, and we just form a team that we play with a hard ball. So that day we just coincidentally we just made a group, and we just said, okay, we'll just play on with the hard ball in the ground, and we just form the mostly similar player which is playing right now. So it's
Okay.
been
What
from
is
2003 till 2020.
Okay, continue. Yes. Yes. Okay. No problem.
Yeah, it's the journey from 2003 till 2020 till now. Almost 60-70% of the players are still same in the team. Some of the players have come and gone. You maybe remember some of those. Hakeem Obri Fire was captain. We'll proudly say he was a part of KCC when we were formed the KCC.
Yes.
Najmuddin Makha and many other players. By the time they just came and gone. So this is the journey for the KCC, and almost 60-70% of the same player who started playing for KCC are still playing in the KCC. Another player, if you're saying that it's the team of friends, I would rather say whoever enters KCC, they just become a friend. So it's
Okay.
still a
Okay.
team of friends.
That is good way of putting it. That whoever enters are friends. Okay. What?
Literally, Ibrahim Bhai,
Yes.
he's so
Okay.
right. I mean, as of today, if you go to see, if we meet in any gathering, be it say Ardia, Markaz or whatever, okay, it has become like that. We end up being in one group only. I mean, it's just very natural, because during the cricketing season, all you have to talk is about cricket, and
Yes.
when you have the like-minded people around, then it's just we attract one another. It's like magnets. So
Okay, so Burhan bhai, how was it like as we were mentioning, Asif bhai, he came to your team. He's playing from a long time, obviously. You were the captain.
Yes.
You were all the founding, if I can say, members of KCC, and him being the captain. How is it different?
Well, as I said, because our team, we just takes any decision. We just he concerned with the vice captain, with the senior players and everything. So being a normal player or the captain, it really doesn't matter too much for us, because we just every decision and anything we just putting it all together, and we just discuss for this.
Okay, who is who
So
is
by
who
the
is
time when
who is making strategies for you? Like before Friday, if you're playing a particular team, Asif
yeah,
bhai is obviously involved as a captain. With you, who is involved? Okay, he's a strong batsman, or he's the bowler to look out where to play him. What will be the field placement? What is the strategies or what is the thought behind you start a game?
We have a core player. We have a core group for the senior players who just sits together and decides what to do and what should be the strategy. And normally we just depending on the oppositions, what strategy we need to do, and we do to match.
For some reason, our strategies are not coming in place when we play Galiakot. I don't know.
my next question was
That is the one thing I'll just need to make. We just need to mark. So we just need to have a bit, more strategy.
No, actually, I had a question. Someone had asked me to ask you guys that why is KCC from last few years not making it to maybe the finals, or you are making it to the semi-finals. Finals we have met 2 times. So what is the reason that KCC is not lifting the cup from last few years? You guys have a perfect team, I must say. I mean, if you look at the batting lineup, if you look at the options for bowlers you have, if you look at the fitness of the fielders, I mean, I would rate KCC obviously top as a top team. So what is the reason? Asif bhai should answer me.
Okay, Ibrahim bhai, I'll tell you honestly. Let me tell you, it is the survival of the fittest. All right. The way teams prepare, the way teams execute their plans on the field is the difference between winning and losing. Okay, every team has their best players. You take KCC, you take a qualifying team which is coming in, you take Fireboys, you look at Galiakot, you look at any team which is playing competitive cricket right now. We or anyone watching this will not say that this team is superior to the other. I mean, any team can beat anyone.
Yes.
All right. Plus, we are playing a 15
Exactly.
over format. Now, in a 15 over format is not like a 20 over game where, you need to strategize as much as a 20 over game. And then a shorter format than that, which, has been introduced in Kuwait now in certain leagues, and SBT10 is a 10 over format. You just need 4 batsmen sometimes to, handle the game. So, what is the reason why KCC is not taking it? For example, I would say is that, yes, we do prepare, we do work hard, but it's the application on the field at times that lets us down. Okay. And sometimes you can say a player goes, berserk, all guns blazing. You can't stop them. Okay. We play on cement wickets. I mean, it's a batsman's game. And on a particular day, if you don't perform well, you cannot win. Now, let's talk about the finals that we played. Okay. That was one game. You could not tell until the last ball was bowled that who is going to win this game.
True.
Okay, keep that match aside. All right. In other games, if people are asking, mostly in the last 6 years, we have only lost to Galiakot. And to be, for us to reach the finals or not, Galiakot was only the factor. Quarters or finals. 2 times in the finals, twice in the quarters. And once we lost against Star Indians. Even that match, until the last over was bowled, we could not say. They held their nerves well, they won. You guys held your nerves well, you won. All right. So this is the reason I would say why we are not being able to.
So that was just
we don't know.
Margin of 1 step. You just say we were behind.
Okay. There was even a common question asking me. You should ask Asif bhai when is he starting to coach youngster for their fitness and for the cricket in Kuwait.
Look, I'm open for this anytime, as soon as possible. And if even now there are a lot of youngsters who call me and they would like to train, by all means they can come. We can, I'm making this a public announcement. I mean, once everything gets back to normal, there are a lot of places where you can train, and I'll be happy if.
Okay, guys, you can whoever is interested can message me. I will provide you the contact details and even his office space, so you can directly go and contact.
Lunch invitation is there. You know this, Ibrahim.
Yeah, 100%. Okay. Other than that, I want to ask now. Coming to some tricky questions. We have heard, the rumors. What we have heard, I don't know what is it. Before also and in future also, we have heard about team split of KCC. So what is it about? I mean, who would want to answer? Asif bhai and then maybe Burhan bhai, both of you can answer this.
I will answer this. So what is the question again? Team split?
We have heard of before this year's I Cup that Team KCC will be split into two teams, and but you guys played obviously together, and it never looked like there was some problems. Again, after
You already
Did you
answered
did you
that
just
it's
mention?
rumors.
Did you just
Rumors.
mention there were rumors?
yeah,
Yeah,
Did you mention
he
rumors?
answered that.
that were rumors, and now I've
No, no.
heard. That's why
I'll
I'm
tell you.
confirming from you guys.
No, no. I'll tell you. Hello. Yeah. Let
Yeah,
me
yeah,
answer
we can
this
hear you.
question. Look. See, first and foremost, for a team to say add new players or for certain players to leave the team is not always a bad thing, or it should not even be taken negatively. All right. I mean, this is a grassroots level of cricket that we are playing in Kuwait to begin with. Another thing is none of us are paid professional players. We play
Exactly.
to release our stress and to go and meet a bunch of friends and have fun and come back home. And then we get back to our, day-to-day earning life. Now, at this level, it is very normal for a player to leave a team, go join some other team, or to invite new players into your team. Look at IPL, go to the highest level, no, where players do get shifted from one team to another. So is that always a bad thing? It's
Exactly.
not a bad thing.
Even the
I mean,
captains
even after,
also get shifted and from one team
yes,
goes to another team.
even yeah, and even after the shift, we are still friends. I mean, we still. I don't think that Buran bhai, you can answer this. That even when those talks were going on and the rumors, I still think I would always see on Instagram you guys sitting in a coffee shop, taking selfies, pictures, and laughing your lungs out and having a nice time,
So
right?
was
So
this
I
rumors?
just want
Never,
to.
So
never, never.
was this rumors, or there was any
No,
real?
there was some talks going on, but what I'm trying to tell you is that it's not always negative. It should not be taken negatively that a team, some players of the team want to form a new team, or some players want to leave, or some player wants to. How will cricketers move forward if this doesn't happen? Where is the competitiveness otherwise? Where's the edge? Where's the competitive edge? All right, everybody has to be on their toes, and it's fine. It's absolutely fine. Okay. There are examples of players. Let's not name them, but they were playing for a certain team now,
Yes,
and
yes.
then they are captains of their own teams, and they are doing very well. So that's an opportunity.
But there is one thing I have noticed as an outsider, that KCC always brings the best players in the team. So how would you like to?
Every team wants the best
Buran.
players in their team.
Yes, obviously. Okay,
Of
the video
course.
is ready. Let us see one video, and then I will ask for comments from Asif bhai.
So, which team would you like to see in the final? Will it be Galiakoot Strikers or Banswara Battlers? I cannot comment. They are both very strong teams. Who would you like to face, or who would you like to play? I wouldn't want to face any one of them. I would have liked to face somebody else, but I would like to face Galiakoot. There we have. And
Okay, now one difference from that this video in Asif bhai I can see, and today is Asif bhai is got younger because he's having black beard now on his face. So okay, that was not the question. The question was why you wanted Galiakoot Strikers. Is it
Now you are
because
promoting his gym now.
No, look, to begin with, I was very clear that I didn't want any one of those teams to meet us in the finals because you know the reason, bro. Yes, I mentioned Galiakoot. Why? Because I feel that Baswara Battlers are actually one of the most toughest teams to face because the depth of batting that they've got and the kind of bowlers that they've got, okay, they can actually go all guns blazing at times and put the opposition off. All right. Galiakoot, on the other hand, is a more subtle team. So what you guys do is slow poisoning. Yourself and Singapore. Of course, Singapore is a hard hitter, but you don't make people feel that you are striking at 200. Ibrahim, I'm talking about you.
this is
Okay,
your
and then comes your Baghdadi.
this is
Your
your interview.
Baghdadi will come. No. And then your one down, two down players will come. They will look very calm and composed, but they're still striking at 200. Baswara battlers, on the other hand, man, they are hard hitters,
Our
and on a
hitters,
given
yes.
day, they can really upset the opposition. So I would not want to face a team like that.
Yes, they scored 213 before. I mean, the
Why would
same
you
game, I
want to
think. Yes.
score? Why would see Ibrahim? Also in that game, you guys chased that 213.
Yes.
But maybe if you were batting first, you would not have aimed 200 something on that ground. You
Yes.
were chasing and you went all out from the first delivery. That was a separate question.
Yes,
Okay, a
100%.
separate thing altogether. But for somebody to comprehend, and that Johar coming and hitting
Yes.
one of your bowlers for 4 sixes in a row. So I'm usually not very happy facing such teams. It always it gives me some sort of a feeling from inside.
Okay,
So yeah, I was okay.
I have one more video message, actually a message or a comment from one of KCC's long time playing player, still obviously playing. So can we have Kutub Bhai's video, please?
Hi everyone, I'm Kutub Usami. I used to play with MSC Kuwait before so long, you can say almost 20 years back. And we have won 2 trophies. I have won 2 trophies with Mullah Adnan Bhai Obri from Atullah Cup. But then I joined KCC. It's been like 15 years I'm playing with KCC, and it's pleasure to be playing with the KCC. And we are all brothers.
Okay, so this is Kutubai Husami, obviously one of the most passionate players. I just wanted to bring him on this show because I know how passionate he is about KCC. Because when you guys lost finals, he was very upset, and I called him, and he was like, "Why do you have to do this, man? We were almost we almost won the game. Why did you have to do this? Why you guys got this game?" So I was like, it's a part and parcel of game, but he was really upset. I mean, that is the attachment that you guys have with Team KCC. So, and okay, now one thing I want to know is about Ahmed Hussain Obri. Does he speak something on the ground or off the field? I never see him muttering any word or coming to the captain or coming to any bowlers or saying this. This is what I feel.
Burhan, you answer this.
Ahmed Hussain Obri, that is his character only. Just outsider, they just see he's very calm, he's very quiet and very determined. Even yes, he's very much excited for every Friday and to play games. Even from Saturday, Sunday, he just started counting that okay, when Friday is coming, when it is coming. It's okay. He's very calm, cool, composed.
He's
But,
similar to Galiakot Strikers player Aziz Bhai. He and Ahmed Hussain Obri. I don't think any team would say anything bad about them.
I'll see
exactly.
when Ahmed is batting.
He is the bonding chain for the KCC.
Okay, great.
He is the bonding chain for the KCC.
When Ahmed,
it's
I'll
been
tell you
like
something.
from my childhood, I'm with Ahmed Hussain. Like spending 35 years from my childhood with Ahmed Hussain. We have studied together. We have played in India. Even coming to Kuwait, we are all together. So I just know him from the childhood. He's very calm, very composure. He will never come to you and talk. Okay, guy, you do like this. You do like this. This is not good. No, but whatever. Even if you just go and ask him that Ahmed, you can just input your suggestion. No, whatever you do, I agree.
Okay.
That
See,
is
I'll tell
his
you.
natural character.
I'll tell you something about him. Say when he's batting, okay, a bowler bowls and beats him. He will have this smile on his face like that. He's always smiling. Okay, within his helmet, you can see him smile.
Yes.
Now he takes one run, that smile is same.
Yes.
He hits a 4, that smile is same. And then when he gets out, he's still smiling the same when he's walking out. Okay? He doesn't talk, he only smiles. If he has to talk to a bowler, it happened once. We were batting together and one of the bowlers said something. He still had the same smile on his face. The next ball was dispatched for 4 and he still had the same smile. I think it's bad talk.
From the word you
but
used.
he is very serious for his game. He's very serious regarding his game. And even if he plays a bad shot and gets out, the whole week he just gets reminded and he just try to make it
from the word you used, smile. When you use the word smile, there is only one guy from KCC who comes to my mind, and that is Kutub Balkoda. He is one of the most jovial guy used. He is always laughing. I mean, even if the situation is very critical, you always see on the ground he coming chit chatting, laughing, and sometimes you don't know why you are in game or you're out of the game. What is the matter? But he is one of the most lethal player. Obviously, I have experienced it playing against him. He can hit you for any even if good deliveries, he will hit you for fours and sixes. So I don't want to know about him from Asif Bhai because I want to know about him how he's on the ground, off the ground from Burhan Bhai. Okay, this is Mohammad Arjan. He's a cricketer who is very passionate about his sports in cricket, his football, and is coaching with Jude sir, who's also coached Kuwait team. So let us know about yourself, where you play, for what academy you play.
I play in cricket coaching club CCC, and yeah, my matches are held in Sulebia and Doha, and I work hard. I want to be a cricketer. I work hard for that.
Okay, you play any other sports or only cricket?
No, other than cricket, I play football and table tennis.
Okay, so you play where you play for the club like on the Fridays? Where do you play?
I play in Salmiya Garden.
Okay, and so still you have not started that competitive cricket, is it?
Sorry?
Not you don't play on the ground still.
No. They gave me
Okay.
practice and then I go up.
Okay, hope which is your favorite team in amongst Bohra teams? Like you come and see the tournaments. I've seen you quite
Yeah,
a
my
few times.
favorite team. Yeah, my favorite team is Galiakot Strikers and
Oh,
KCC.
oh, that's great. I think KCC
Very
is
safe.
always
Safe
KCC
answer.
no, KCC is always a favorite. But you are from Sagawada. What is the reason supporting Galiakot?
My dad is from Saghwada and my mom is from Galiakot.
Okay,
Oh,
so he's
very diplomatic.
Okay, great
But
to
I
have
will go a
you.
long way.
He chose both, so he chose both. KCC and
Okay,
Galiakot.
okay, great to have you, Mohammed, and hopefully we see you playing a good competitive cricket, and possibly on the ground we see you playing for any either KCC or maybe Galiakot team.
Wish you all
Thank
the
you
best.
for coming,
Good luck.
and all the best.
Thank
Good
you.
luck, bro.
Thank you.
Good luck.
Okay, so these are the youngsters who are very passionate about their own teams, and they want, obviously when we play and the level of cricket we have increased. I mean the fine finale, the semi final. So that is what they see and they get motivated.
Okay, so getting back to I was asking Burhan Bhai a question about Kutub Bankoda. Tell me about him.
Okay.
What is his character? Because we always see him smiling. He's never tensed about anything.
Uh, on field, his character is very clear. Like every good cricketer has that. Just enjoy your game and just spread the smile, spread love. So that was he is very good and he's very soft-hearted. And talking to him, even like even the weekdays, he just calls twice, thrice, and just say hi, hello, okay, Burhan bhai, how are you? So he's a very good guy. So and always you feel very good talking with him. Obviously, face to face is okay, but on the phone also, he just calls you twice, thrice a week, and just says hi, hello, okay, what's going on, what is this, and strategy. And he's very, very enthusiastic about the game. So even 2 weeks, 3 weeks before the game, he just starts calling and just tries to get in the game before it and strategies, what we need to make and what our strategy should be. And behind his smile, he's thinking a lot over this.
I'm
But
sure
on the field, he's very jolly guy.
I'm sure he'll call you regarding matches and he'll talk something else.
No, that's his character actually.
Okay, tell us some funny instances. You have a lot of characters in your team.
I remember one funny instance from Kutub Bhai Bankoda. So like we were playing Asif, maybe remember last year we were just playing in UPL and we were batting first and we were like our wickets were going like the house of cards. And Kutub Bhai just suddenly went into his car and he just brought the portable woofer and just brought in at the boundary line and he just asking every player that which is your favorite song, and he was just playing this song. So at that time, the other team player who was standing on the boundary, he was just tiring on the team members, and we were just thinking like, what these guys are up to. Like Kutubaz was going to every player and just saying, okay, which is your favorite song, and he was just playing the favorite song in the loudspeaker. So that was a very funny instance I remember.
Actually, it's played a lot of cricket, so it's not all kind of instances. Everything is normal for him.
Yes.
He's played a lot of cricket.
As I told you, he just says that, okay, we are just coming here to play cricket. Okay, we are just playing cricket. We just could not able to perform. Okay, that's fine. Just enjoy your day and enjoy the gathering with the friends. That's what the important thing is.
Exactly.
So,
You have been part of management committee from long. Tell us, we all as a team, we come on Fridays, we prepare our matches. But what goes behind the matches, the preparation of the grounds, then many other management issues are there. This that. So tell us something about behind the scenes, what you guys do.
behind the scene, like MSC is doing tremendous job. Even that's not because I'm the part of MSC, but even if you just ask every player,
Yes.
each team member, each everyone, that MSC is doing a tremendous job. I would say rather they have just divided all the fields to different members, and he has the authority. Like I'm handling the ground preparation, the lining, ground cleaning, even the water spraying and all this, and I have full authority from the captain, and whatever I need to do, just do. We just need the best possible result.
Asif bhai, I want to know one last thing from you. When are we playing on turf?
When are we playing on turf?
When,
Look,
maybe not for starting a semi-final or a final. How is it possible that we can go to turf?
see, it is possible. We just need to make some prior arrangements before that. I'll tell you, it was easier earlier because there were more turf wickets in Kuwait.
Yes.
But now we are remaining with only one, with the Doha ground being taken away by the government.
Okay. Anything you would like to tell to your supporters? I mean, obviously, each and every cricketers who want to see matches are fan of KCC. So I need from Burhan bhai and Asif bhai both. Asif bhai, you go ahead. What do you want to say to youngsters and also the fans of KCC and cricket as well?
Okay, so first is the youngsters. I would like to tell them, look, don't take this game for granted. It's a lovely game. Even though if we play once in a week, for fun, and then we are playing competitive cricket as well. Give in your best to cricket. Make sure you do the best to your own self by keeping yourself fit and injury free. And the more you practice, the better you're going to get at it, and you'll get better results. So work hard, stay safe, and stay fit. This is for the youngsters. For the fans, thank you so very much for being there for us always. And just hope and pray that we can live up to the fans' expectations. For a long time to come. Now, when I say expectations, I'm not saying that we are going to win every game, but the expectation of conducting ourselves in a very friendly way and a fair way on the ground, and we just hope that we continue this.
Sure.
This is what I would like to tell them. Thank you so much.
Right.
Message for the fans is a big thank you. Maybe on ground you are cheering for us, and you are just shouting for us in a final game or a semi-final or a quarter-final. We might have not got chance to personally come to you and say thank you, but here I will just take this stage and I will just thank you all the fans. They're just supporting us from many years, and we hope you just keep supporting us for the future also.
Inshallah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, guys, you have seen the video. So what's your take on the video? Great memories, obviously.
Burhan, that's for you to answer.
Great memories.
Okay,
Great memories.
We'll play.
Those are memories for the lifetime. That's 100 Milad Cup.
Yeah, this is 100 Milad.
Yes. Amatullah Cup.
Yes. So we have seen the video. Obviously, that was the last
KPL.
KPL, I think. Yes. So great.
KPL,
great
yes.
memories
That
with
was KPL 6. Great memories. Those were the stages we have dreamt, and even the players in Kuwait, they just dream to play at that stage, and we are very lucky and fortunate to just play on that stage, and more lucky to be able to win this. We just
Okay.
hope we go and add up some more on this.
Inshallah. Thank you very much, and thank you so much for joining the show and taking your time out.
Thank you so much, Ibrahim Bhai. It was really a pleasure.
Thank you. And Asif bhai, it's time for you to play your PUBG.
No, I've stopped playing PUBG, by the way.
Okay.
I'm on PS4 cricket now. You want to join?
Inshallah. Why not? Thank you.
Okay.
Thank
Yalla, see you guys.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Khuda Hafiz.